What makes a successful scientific discoverer?
Well, the art is always to be willing to make the guess, to be willing to be wrong, to be completely humble to the fact, and otherwise you get laughed out of a right idea. That happened to me when I was 14 years old. At that time, my father said to me, live always if you were a great man. If you're not, you'll find it out. Boy, howdy, I found it out.
What is a number that man may know it, and in man, that he might know a number?